is Gwendoline Anand. I'm from Switzerland and I am a MAGE PhD from DTU. My PhD is about additive manufacturing. I am trying to build a photo projector, which is one of these big boxes you have in classroom. But mine is trying to use UV light to actually make 3D printed components. The idea of this project is to actually understand better the process, how photoprojectors are working, and this will help us gain a lot of control on the process and also even customize it. It's so important because light is at the core of this manufacturing process. Light is what makes the resin hardens. So if we control light and we're able to understand completely how it works and the photopolymerization process, we'll be able to enhance the quality of the components and even add more new things that we maybe could not do that before. The end goal is not only to get understanding of this process, but to get control, to get a better quality, to get a new field of possibilities by being able to customize the product to whatever application we have. For instance, we could maybe have something that allows us to move the image over the field of printing, which means that we could have bigger components. We could print hearing aids in series or things like that. I am in my third year, which means that a lot of time has passed and it's running out now. But I'm very confident because I have finally a working prototype. What was your biggest challenge and how did you overcome it?